Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to select and edit multiple clips at once using Clipchamp. So let's say we have a few clips on our timeline here as you can see, and we want to remove this first video. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and press delete. Now what you can notice is if we have to manually drag each clip over one by one, that's going to take a little while. So instead, what we can do is we can select them by clicking on an empty space in the timeline and creating a selection box. Alternatively, you can also hold Control and click on specific clips to add or remove them from your selection. So now that that's done, we can now drag everything over. As you can see, all the clips are aligned automatically, and we can just drag them over to the start of the video like so. So that already saved us a good amount of time. Another way of manipulating multiple clips at once should be by clicking on this empty space at the top here. As you can see, there's a button here that lets us delete this gap. So this is also really great if you're doing lots of work on a very long timeline and have multiple gaps spread out in between your video. This just lets you quickly remove that and everything is automatically brought forward. Another thing we can do is when everything is selected. So let's say I'm gonna press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select all the clips. I can also apply effects and change the properties of these videos by batch. So let's say I want to add a filter to all of the videos. I can do so very easily by having all of them highlighted and clicking on the filter I would like to apply. So as you can see, the filter has been applied across all the videos. You can also do things like adjust the colors by batch, adjust the speed, and add some fade in and fade out effects. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.